Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk move users to an organizational unit in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. As organizations grow, managing user accounts across different OUs becomes essential for applying the right policies, access controls, and settings. However, manually moving users one by one in the Google Admin Console can be tedious and time-consuming, especially for large organizations. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation platform designed specifically for Google Workspace. It enables administrators to efficiently move users in bulk to the correct organizational units in Google Workspace. You can quickly relocate multiple users at once, ensuring proper policy enforcement and streamlined management. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Move Users to an Organizational Unit and click on it. In the Bulk Move Users to an Organizational Unit page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Move Users to an Organizational Unit will display. Click Next. In the Move User to Organizational Unit action, in the New Organizational Unit field, select the target organizational unit from the drop-down where you want to move the users. Click Review. In Review screen, in Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions illustrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk movement of users to an organizational unit in Google Workspace. Go to the Templates page. Go to Bulk Move Users to an Organizational Unit template and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. In the downloaded CSV file, replace the sample data with the actual primary email addresses of the users you want to move to a specific organizational unit in Google Workspace. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload button of Bulk Move Users to an Organizational Unit rule. Select the CSV file to upload. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify that the automation has successfully moved users to the organizational unit in Google Workspace designated in the rule setup. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.